Alright, looks like I just got this one box left here. It's marked fragile. Does that mean it's fragile? Who knows? Let's find out what's in there. Got a lot of packing around it, not very heavy. Oil tank, gas tank, you know, something like that. About the size of the box. Could be other stuff, who knows. Ooh, stinks. Wow, gas tank. Damn, that's some weird packing. .57.8 panhead, little right side gas tank. Somebody did a bunch of grinding. I get the paint off and they ground the damn boss off where the tank goes. Nice, good job. Oh, that thing stinks. That's all we got. Shitty gas. Definitely got a smell to it. Oh yeah, it's got original varnish in there. They didn't blast the inside out. Yeah. Pretty rusty in there. Don't know what the hell they were doing here. Looks like they're trying to convert it from a 57 tank into a modern tank. 57 has a flat spot right here because there's a plastic badge that goes right here, a round badge. You can see how they were trying to pull it out. Dumbasses probably didn't realize it was supposed to be that way. They thought it was supposed to be curved, probably. This old Harley sheet metal is pretty thick. Fitting looks nice. That's good. Pretty good condition on that. Hopefully the rust holes don't go all the way through. Brackets are nice. Look nice. Like I said, they screwed that up by grinding on it. But it looks like a nice tank. Yeah, I'm not sure what they were trying to do here. Oh well, it's an extra tank to use on my race bike. So what I gotta do is get in here with a hammer and beat this back down flat again. Dumbasses. Probably heat it up with a torch would be best. Get it a little hot and keen on it a little bit. It's hard to make a hard line when you're trying to just beat on something. Yeah, they definitely screwed that up by trying to fix it. That's what happens with dumbasses who don't know what they're doing. Yeah, it looks like it's a nice tank until they did that. Yeah. Alright, well that's a... looks like a good tank. Hope there's no pinholes in it. I'll blast it and get it all cleaned out. And I got a better tank to use on my bike, but that's... you know, it is what it is. It'd be nice if these people didn't screw stuff up. But, oh well, it is what it is. So overall it's in pretty good condition. Only a little rust in there. Yeah. I've bought a lot worse, so not too bad. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, that's it for junk from eBay for this year.